Hello students, good morning. This class is for class 4 social studies class. And today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 6, the climate in India. In this chapter we will learn about different climates in India. Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So you understand what is climate? It is an average weather condition. Climate also affects our way of life. It influences our clothing, housing, transportation, and the food we eat. For example, European countries have a cold climate. People in these countries eat a lot to keep warm. They eat food which keep their body warm. Some regions are hot and wet throughout the year. Climate and weather. The condition of atmosphere of a place over a short period of time is called its weather. Now we will know what is climate. Weather can change every day. The term climate refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So weather is the atmosphere's condition for short period and climate is for long period. The climate of a place determines the animal and plant life, their food and clothes. People adjust their lifestyles to the area they live in. Now, factors affecting climate. There are many factors which affect climate. The location of a place affects its climate. Places located near the sea have a cooler climate as compared to places which are away from it. Places located in the hills and mountains are colder compared to the places in plains. The climate of a place also depends upon its temperature, rainfall, and the direction of the wind in that region. Distance from the equator is an important factor in determining the climate of a place. The farther a place from the equator, the cooler it is. Yes, near the equator, temperature is in its maximum point. Okay, the place which is farther from the equator is much cooler than it. Now, you will go to next page, seasons of India. A part of the year which is distinguished by its particular type of weather is called season. The temperature in India varies from region to region. India has a tropical climate. The Indian climate can be divided into three main seasons: summer, rainy, and winter. In India, some places have two more seasons. Yes, they are very lucky, isn't it? Spring and autumn. Okay, now we will see about summer. The summer in India starts from the middle of March and extends up to mid-June. The temperature rises slowly and continuously from April onwards. The days are long and nights are short. Heat waves are quite common in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. In the northern plains, a hot, dry wind called Loo flows. Yes, you may have heard about Loo. It is a hot and dry air. Dust storms are also common. There are hardly any rainfall. Sometimes hailstorms can occur, which bring relief from the heat. Hailstorms occur when dry and moist air masses come in contact with each other. Do you know what is hailstorm? Yes, in Bengali we call it Shila Brishti. Many people move from the plains to hilly areas like Nainital, Mussoorie, Shimla, Darjeeling, Manali, etc. For what? Yes, to enjoy the cool atmosphere. The weather in hill stations is cool and pleasant in summer and provides relief from the heat. In the coastal plains, summer is not so hot because the sea breeze cools the surrounding area. However, humidity is very high because of moisture in the atmosphere due to the proximity to sea. Monsoon or rainy season. The monsoon or rainy season begins from mid-June and continues till the end of September. Moisture-laden monsoon winds enter the India land mass from the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean and passes over the western coast. They bring heavy rainfall. A second branch of monsoon wind comes from Bay of Bengal. Okay children, now turn the page. Giving heavy rainfall in northeast and the surrounding areas. By mid-July, the whole country experiences heavy rainfall. However, Rajasthan and Gujarat receives little rainfall. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains relatively dry in the monsoon season but receives winter rainfall between November and January. In India, where agriculture is the chief occupation, the rainy season is especially important. However, the rainy season in India is full of uncertainties. Sometimes it rains heavily causing floods. Sometimes the rainfall is so scanty that there is drought. Cyclones also hit the deltas of the Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers, which causes large-scale destruction of life and property in the coastal area. Winter. The winter season begins from November and continues till February. Days are short and nights are long and cold. Northern India is colder, being close to Himalayas. Parts of Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand have freezing temperatures and experiences snowfall. The northern plains experience severe cold during this season. Pleasant days are very cold nights are experienced in the desert region. Occasional showers bring down the temperature further. In southern India, winter are cool and pleasant. Spring. Winter gives way to a brief spring before the summer sets in. It is a cool and pleasant season. In this season, trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. Various festivals such as Holi, Baisakhi are celebrated in this pleasant season. Autumn. Autumn is the season that comes just after the rainy season and just before the onset of winter. This season is cool and pleasant. Many trees shed their leaves during this time. This pattern of the change in the seasons is same every year. Summer is followed by monsoon and then autumn followed by winter and spring. So with this your chapter finish. Okay, you will go through this chapter again and again in your home, read it properly, and in our next class we will solve question answers. This much for today's class. Have a good day.